kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and as you may know, I'm Sicilian, but I was born in England and I lived in Germany for 30 years before moving here. I love food from all over the world, and I'm going to make a fusion dish today. I'm making bubble and squeak, which is a British favourite. You'd make this with your leftover potatoes and cabbage from Sunday lunch, fried up the next day with egg. You can also add a bit of bacon, and you know how great this tastes with brown sauce or ketchup. Well, today I'm going to shake things up and do a 5-spice bubble and squeak. So I'm going to give it an Asian twist with some ginger and spring onions, a few other spices, and at the end I'm going to add hoisin sauce and sriracha. So it's going to be a whole new ball game. Want to find out how it turns out? Me too. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need cabbage, potatoes, egg, bacon or pancetta, ginger, spring onions, 5-spice powder, sesame seeds and parsley. You are also going to need some sesame oil, sriracha and hoisin sauce.